Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 5 signs you are vitamin B12 deficient. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that your body needs for processes like DNA synthesis, energy production, and central nervous system function. Even though the vitamin is found in many foods, B12 insufficiency and deficiency are relatively common. This is often due to limited dietary intake, malabsorption, certain medical conditions, or the use of B12 depleting medications. In this video, we will tell you about 5 signs and symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. Number 1. Fatigue. If you're low or deficient in B12, you'll likely feel fatigued. Your body's cells need B12 to function properly. As such, having inadequate B12 levels can decrease normal red blood cell production, which can impair oxygen delivery. Specifically, a deficiency in B12 or folate can cause megaloblastic anemia. This condition leads to the formation of large, abnormal, and immature red blood cells and impaired DNA synthesis. When your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to tissues, you'll likely feel weak and tired. Number 2. Gastrointestinal issues. A B12 deficiency may also cause diarrhea, nausea, constipation, bloating, gas, and other gastrointestinal symptoms. These issues can affect both adults and children. Keep in mind, though, that many of these symptoms are non-specific and could be caused by other factors. For example, food intolerances, medications, and infections could all lead to diarrhea. Number 3. Pain and inflammation of the mouth and tongue. Glossitis is a medical term that refers to an inflamed, red, and painful tongue. It can be caused by a B12 deficiency. In people with this deficiency, glossitis can appear alongside stomatitis, which is characterized by sores and inflammation in the mouth. Even though glossitis and stomatitis are common in people with B12 deficiency-related anemia, they can also occur without anemia and can be a sign of an early B12 deficiency. Number 4. Pale or yellow skin. Another sign that can indicate B12 deficiency is pale or yellow skin. Like the condition called iron deficiency anemia, anemia related to B12 deficiency may make your skin pale due to a lack of fully matured, healthy red blood cells in the body. B12 deficiency can also cause a condition called jaundice, which makes your skin and the whites of your eyes take on a yellowish color. The color is caused by high levels of bilirubin, a waste product created when your body breaks down red blood cells. Number 5. Depressive symptoms. B12 is essential to the proper functioning of your central nervous system, and a deficiency in this nutrient can impact your mental health. Specifically, B12 deficiency is associated with a greater risk of developing depression. Having low levels of B12 can cause elevated levels of a sulfur-containing amino acid called homocysteine. In turn, this may contribute to the development of depression by increasing oxidative stress, DNA damage, and cell death in the body. In addition to depressive symptoms, low or deficient B12 levels may lead to other mental conditions, including psychosis and mood disorders. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.